Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sounds. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far.
This is our story. Just two northern folk who dropped the norm and sold it all to explore the world by sail. We started our journey aboard our Lagoon 42, sailing out of La Rochelle, France. We crossed the Bay of Biscay, exploring Spain, Portugal, and the Canary Islands, without trial and with a crew we had only met online. We then sailed the vast Atlantic, landing in a new life afloat on the Caribbean Sea. We traded our old tools for captain's hats and kicked off a new business with a revolving backyard view. This is where our story begins.